What's going on, guys? Eric here from My Brain, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing probably one of the hottest Retro 1 customized spin-offs I've seen ever. So let's get right into it. So, getting a first look at the box, nice slate black box. You got the paisley decoration on top, as well as the Fugazi logo with the one in the chamber. Super cool. I love the hand and the sword concept. That's really badass and kind of medieval and really cool. Taking the top off, we've got a really cool, unique wrapping paper. It's got the wanted, it's a wanted poster with the guy who created the shoe on it. So we'll get right into that here in a little bit, but let's take the shoe out of the box first. Now, with these joints, these are really crispy. I have nothing really bad to say about anything. The materials, nothing. The colors, nothing. This shoe, hands down, is straight fire, and I don't even know if I would put this on my foot. I would probably put this in a box or in a mantle, and I would just showcase this as much as I possibly could. The Nike swoosh being removed with like a 44 mag is fucking, that is so hard. That is so hard, and it kind of really pieces together what you're looking at. We got the paisley around the back of the neck here on the shoe. As you can see, the normal Nike, where the Nike logo would be, the Nike Air Jordan, you would see one in the chamber. And then you can see also on the side, which is, this is even more badass, is four, what is that, right? 2, 4, 5, my bad, I can't count. 5 bullets on the side, and if you take a look here in the Jumpman logo, you see one's missing. That's because one's in the chamber, bitch. What's up? No, but that it just kind of pieces it even more together. You literally, the attention to detail on the shoe, immaculate. I'm blown away at this. So with these ones, what kind of stands out too is with all this attention to detail, when you take a look at the laces and you pull these bad boys out, literally the cherry on top is these bullet aglets, man. These golden bullet aglets. This is serious, like, attention to detail, man. This is crazy. Yeah, and then also going to right here, the top of the stitching, we've got the Fugazi. Again, that hand and sword logo, so fucking hard, guys. What in the world, man? And then, I don't know if you'll be able to see it much, but in the inside, you've got what is like a smaller version of the actual wrapping paper. It's the wanted poster, two-tooth tread. I have this as a reference. What's cool about these shoes is you can kind of take a look and piece together what's different, what's the same from the original silhouette. The only thing I really noticed is that on these joints, obviously you have the stars on the toes. Obviously that's on a couple different Jordan models or whatever. On the bottom you can see that they have the Nike swoosh, the Nike check in there. And then if you actually look at the Fugazi shoe, there is nothing. It's just plain on the bottom. So, yeah, I mean, this shoe, crazy amount of detail. If you take a look at the insole, it just has the hand and sword logo with the Fugazi. It's nothing really too crazy. Definitely noted though. And again, on the sides, dude, those aglets, man. The aglets just piece this whole thing together, man. Like, honestly, the whole shoe is a masterpiece. Honestly, I can't lie. And yeah, going into the wrapping paper, as you can see, it says wanted, dead or alive, two-tooth tread. And yeah, that's pretty hardcore. Obviously, that's the guy that created the shoe. I mean, I don't really got to say any more than that. And this is just more attention to detail that you just need to see these shoes in person. You need to hold them in your hands. You need to look at the box. And you really need to appreciate these joints for how special they are. I mean, that's really it. That's all I got to say about these shoes. If I had to rate them on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being amazing, immaculate, I would give these joints a 10. Are you kidding me? Well, come on, man. These are fire. These are the coolest spin-off ones I've ever seen in my life. These are incredible, and there's a reason that when you go on Grailed and you go on the internet and you try to cop these right now, and they're like $1,100, dude. This is crazy. The shoe is it's a piece of art, and if you copped it, I mean, more power to you. But if you didn't cop it, good luck. All right, you're gonna be dropping a dime on this bad boy. Drop in the comments below what you think of this shoe. What would you rate it out of 10? You know, what do you honestly think of the whole cowboy theme, bullet holes in the toe box type vibe that we got going here? Yeah. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. Now I got some more on my channel, so don't be shy and check those out. Drop a comment on those too. Let me know what you think. I'm Eric from My Brain. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.